I have a 2000 Impala. First thing I notice is the key fob doesn't work. No button on the key fob. Oops, wrong key fob. Key fob, no button works on the key fob. Tried both key fobs. Replaced the battery in both key fobs. See a little light right here, blinking 5 times now. Whoops. 1, 2. Blinking 2 times now. Seems to be different all the time. It'll blink 2 times, 5 times, 1 time, 3 times. I have no idea what that little thing is for. If anybody could tell me what that light is for, I'd appreciate it. There's also a light here on the radio flashing. I have a feeling that that radio light is the security system, saying that the security system is on. There is also a little button. Let me back off so you see where I'm going. Right underneath here. A little black button that's not labeled. I have no idea what it's for. It is right here, right beside the light. Let's see if I can, right there. It's not labeled. Don't have any idea what it's for. There's the light. That's the dome light. There we go. That right there's a dome light. There's this little black button right there. Have no idea what that is. I'd like to know what that's for. And here is what it's doing. The radio is not working. The alarm goes off every time I turn around. Let's see what the little light's doing now. Still flashing twice. Light on the radio. Flashing once. Okay, it's about ready to quit. There we go. I stick my key in the ignition. Turn it to accessory. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heard 4 little dings. That says the airbag up there at the top. That's the airbag light. There we go. It goes from low fuel to battery to security. And it keeps going around in a circle. Low fuel, battery, security. It doesn't always do that. Sometimes it just says battery and security, back and forth from battery, security, battery, security, battery, security. That's an ABS brake, ABS light system back there. That's pretty normal. Now then, everything I do now, I'll turn it to the on position. It's on accessories. Now it's on, and the alarm's going off. Security. Battery. Security. Battery. Now it's just doing security battery. No low fuel light. Security battery. Okay, the alarm's going off again. Okay. Well, it won't quit going off. Okay, now I'm going to put my foot on the brake. Put your brake pedal down. Try and start it. Nothing. No crank, no nothing. No click, nothing. That's really getting annoying. Okay. Now the little light is blinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay. I think the door was unlocked with the key after being locked with the fob. I was told years ago if I used the fob to lock it, to use the fob to unlock it. If I use the key to lock it, then use the key to unlock it. I would like to know what that light means with the amount of flashes that goes off. I have a feeling that it's something to do with what was gotten into last. Because I think that even if I open the glove compartment, yep, open the glove compartment, the alarm goes off. Seems like no matter what I do, the alarm goes off. I have emailed New Rockies, and they say it is not a passkey problem. It is a content theft problem, and their Pro module won't help. But I may have described my problem wrong to them, so I'm going to email them back and ask them to review this video. I can't find a video on YouTube of anyone with a problem exactly like this. The radio won't do anything in order to use it to turn off the security system. I've checked all the fuses. The radio fuse was blown, but I've replaced it. It seems to do something different every time. The battery's okay per AAA. AAA came out and looked at it and they said, we can't do nothing. We don't know what's wrong. We can tow it somewhere. I think AAA ought to have some kind of help. It'd be cheaper for them to have me some online help than to tow it somewhere for them. Okay, nothing works but the electric windows. The electric windows work. Right here. Well, gotta have the key in. So, put the key back in. Turn it to accessories. 1, 2, 3, 4 little dings. Now the electric windows work. Thank God, because it's been raining. And the light is back to battery and security. Low fuel, okay. Try the ignition to on again, to the on position again, and the alarm goes off. I ain't gonna listen to that more than I have to. If you have ever had a problem like this, I'd appreciate it if you'd send me or if you got a problem similar to this and you've run across, you're looking to fix your problem, if you would put something down in the remarks here of, hey, I found a